Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Beginner's Guide to Autodesk AutoCAD. In this session, we will see some CAD blocks related to cars. Usually, when you are dealing with a 2D furniture layout, you must represent a specific car layout to show the garage or a place where the vehicle would be parked. For that, you can use any car symbol. What you can do is simply create a rectangle, add various type of headlights, a window, a windscreen, and that's all. But if you want to add up more details, you can do it as well. Or another way around is you can use some predefined CAD blocks like the one I'm showing here, and it can be accessed along with this lecture. Another way is to go through the internet where you can find some free CAD blocks and some paid CAD blocks. You can always modify them as per your requirement. Like I have exploded it. Now I can trim the unnecessary parts. For instance, I don't want to show the interiors. I can simply trim or erase the unnecessary parts, and then if any required lines are removed, I can simply recreate them as well. Now data ellipse would be done with the erase command or by selecting and pressing the delete button like this. Now let's remove these unnecessary lines as well. Now you can see we have a very nice sports shape of a car without any details of interior to make the things more elegant and more simple. Here are few more samples. We have cars, we have SUVs, and we have trucks as well. Again, let's modify it. Here we can remove these lines, and we can definitely use the hatch command as we have previously defined different type of patterns. In this pattern, let's change the intensity, or we can see different type of other patterns. So with this pattern, we get a very nice view for this specific vehicle. In this case, we have modified this vehicle. Otherwise, you can simply reuse them as well. So this was all about this session. See you in the next session. Till then, take care.